Contempt hearing today in the Michelle Troconis trial, but the judge says he plans to schedule one in the future. Before jurors were brought in, the state told the judge Troconis had part of a sealed custody report on her computer yesterday from Fotis Dulos and his wife Jennifer's divorce case. For now, her computer is gone. Day 23 of the trial went on, featuring a video timeline, a lengthy third police interview, and questions over an expert witness. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live at Stanford Superior Court to break it all down for us. Matt.
Hi there, and as you said, busy day here at court. The judge dealing with that sealed custody report before the jurors were even brought in. Late this afternoon, the judge ruling on a state motion to exclude two key defense witnesses. And then most of the evidence today, well, it's centered on Michelle Troconis' third interview with state police.
Are you ready to admit that you weren't 100% truthful with us during the first two interviews? That should be an easy answer.
Yes.
Detectives telling Michelle Troconis to come clean during a nearly 4-hour interview from August 2019, her third sit-down with state police.
There's no way you just didn't know. You're too involved.
Police say Troconis left out information or changed her stories about what she and then boyfriend Fotis Dulos did on May 24th, the day his wife Jennifer disappeared. Jurors also seeing video of a white Jeep Michelle was driving that day, making multiple trips from Fort Jefferson Crossing to another Dulos property in Farmington that afternoon, with now retired Detective John Kimball then pointing out 3 separate occasions from that late May day of smoke billowing out of a chimney at the couple's Farmington home.
It's pure speculation.
Michelle then mentions for the first time a red Toyota Tacoma and how Fotis was cleaning it when he handed her a brown stained paper towel, telling her he spilled coffee. Michelle eventually admits to taking the keys to the Tacoma when its owner showed up, and how the next week she and Fotis took it to an Avon car wash.
I'm having a real hard time believing that you don't know what's going on here.
I didn't know what's going on.
And late this afternoon, Judge Kevin Randolph granting a state motion to exclude 2 defense witnesses who they say are experts on memory.
The court is specifically denying the defendant to put on a defense.
The judge ruling whether it's Troconis' slipped memory or a willful failure to disclose information without giving the state a report from the experts ahead of time. It makes it hard to cross-examine.
In this court's view, it's an ambush.
So the defense now has a deadline of midnight tonight for those experts to produce a report for the court as to what they testify to.
When there's nothing, that tilts the seesaw of fairness.
And that's important because the state says it expects to wrap its case early next week. Could be as early as Tuesday because, remember, there is no court on Monday because of President's Day. We're live at the mobile newsroom outside Stanford Superior Court. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.